How to make a cocktail using craft Flair skills. First we will do one long drink, second we will do two the same or different long drinks in the same time, and finally we will do cocktail using shaker method. I will show you the example of how you can do it. For example, we have to prepare two long drinks, two different long drinks or two the same long drinks. For example, we do gin tonic and rum cola. You take your napkins, you do this move, then you take your glass and take your second glass. Bam. So you do it this way. You throw it here, you do neck pass, then you move it here. While you move it here, you take your second glass this way, then you change grip here and turn this glass this way and do it at the same time. Pump. And then you put it together. And we have pump, pump, pump. Pump, pump, pump. Then you take your shaker. We don't need any shaker to prepare these cocktails, but we will use it to put some ice. So you take your shaker, you put some ice inside, then you change grip, you take again ice, and you put it here. And again, pump, 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 pump. In this case, you will put ice in both of your glasses in the same time, and you will do it in an interesting way. I think you agree with me that if you do it like this, it will be long and boring. So, pump, 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 pump. Then do it this way. Again, change grip on your shaker. Place it here. Put an ice cube in the ice, and you finish it this way. Then you take your gin and your rum. You do this move and just pour. Pour. Place it here. Then take your tonic and your cola and pour it. Then take your straws and garnishes. And your cocktails are ready. So here you do two the same cocktails. So you work with two of your hands. You work it sometimes together, sometimes you do some different moves, but again with both of your hands.